Alright, this video will show you how I installed my fog lights because there's not a lot of information on how to do it. I looked everywhere, couldn't find anything. So I just installed these fog lights. This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. So first off, I had to go to O'Reilly's and had them print me off the wiring diagram in order to know what wires I needed to tap into. So here's what I've found. So I'd recommend going there. They can print you off what you need. But if it's like this one, here's my relay for these fog lights. So the wiring goes like this. You've got a red power. I put it into this. It's a spare spot on the fuse box here. Just that 20A spare. So nothing was in there. It's a good power source. So stick it in there, and then you have this black also that's hooked up to the negative on your battery. And then you also on that relay have one other white wire that you got to tap into on your headlights. So here's the headlights down there. See if I can get a better view there. So when you tap into this, let me show you. So you got to get these things in order to tap into these wires. So this white one, it goes to the blue wire. So you have a blue wire that's going into your headlight. That's what you want to tap into with this white wire. That's going to be your low beam for your headlight. So anytime your low beam comes on, your fog lights will come on. Alright, so for the next side of the relay, these wires, you have two yellow wires for your turn signal. So this one, it goes down in here, down into a blue-orange cable. So you got a blue-orange wire. You can't see it, but it's down there. So that first one goes to your blue-orange. This next one comes all the way over here to the other side of your headlight hookup, and this one hooks up to orange-red. So there's an orange-red wire that you got to splice into for that yellow wire. And then you have, of course, the hookups for your fog lights themselves, for the actual bulbs, which are here and here. So you just run those down and over to each side of the fog light. So that is how the wiring is hooked up. So these fog lights have the when you flip on your turn signal, they're going to light up amber, and then when you hit off the turn signal, they just go back to normal white. So that's the wiring. Now let me show you how I did the actual installation for the actual light themselves. Alright, so when you go to actually put the light in the bumper, what I did was just undid the little clamp clips down below. There's a few of those you got to get out. And on the wheel well, I did those as well, so you can kind of get up in this area. I was able to do this without taking the front bumper off, so that was nice, but it was a little bit of work just trying to get in there. So when you are in there, here's the old what was in there that I took out. So this thing actually connects to this other piece. This is a little vent system that they had, and the fog lights that I got, they would not fit with this piece in there. This piece kind of went behind like that, and then you had that hook on to that. So that is behind this bumper where you can't really see. So in order to get the lights in, I had to remove this piece. I just kind of cut it off, as you can see. So however you want to get that out, you have to get that out first, and then you can take out your plastic little piece here, and then you just stick it in just like that. So I hope that was helpful. I sure wish I had a video like this when I was hooking mine up, because it took me a few days to get this figured out. But that's how you do it. Hopefully that helps out anyone that needs some help with hooking up some fog lights. This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra.